Good morning, students. Today's topic is types of industries. So, industries are classified broadly on the basis of raw materials, which are further classified on the basis of consumption and sources of raw materials. Next, they are classified on the basis of management, size, and others, which may be location or nature of products. So, starting with raw materials, first of all, starting with consumption of raw materials. There are two types of industries, heavy industries and light industries. Heavy industries are those industries which require a lot of raw materials, huge investment, capital, sophisticated equipments, and skilled and unskilled labor. And the finished products produced are also heavy. For example, locomotives, automobiles, iron and steel industry. Whereas light industries, they need less capital and less number of workers, and the finished products produced are also light in weight. For example, TV sets, electric goods, etc. Next, come to industries based on sources of raw materials. First, we have agro-based industries, industries which depend on agriculture for their raw materials. Example, sugar industry, cotton industry, food processing industry, jute industry, and many more. Next, mineral-based industries which depend on minerals for their raw materials. For example, iron and steel industry, shipbuilding industry, cement industry, etc. Next, we have animal-based industries, industries which depend on animals for their raw materials. For example, woolens, silk, dairy, poultry, etc. Lastly, we have forest-based industries, industries which depend on forests for their raw materials. For example, paper, cardboard, lac, timber, pharmaceuticals, etc. Lac, you must know, it is a resin secreted by an insect in the forest which is widely used to make bangles or other ornaments. Jharkhand is the leading producer of lac, followed by Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra. Next, we have industries based on management. First of all, private sector industries, which are owned and managed by individual industrialists or firms. They generally manufacture engineering or electronic goods. For example, Reliance Industries or Tata Steel Works. Next, we have public sector industries, which are owned and managed or controlled by state or central government. They include things of public utilities like railway, transport, post and telegraph, defense, etc. Next, we have joint sector industries, which are jointly managed by the private as well as state or central government. For example, Oil India Limited. Next, we have cooperative sector industries, which are owned and managed by the common producers of a certain product. For example, sugar industry or dairy products. For example, Amul. It is a cooperative industry. Lastly, we have industries based on their size. First of all, large-scale industries which employ large number of workers and produce on a large scale. They require huge investment and machineries. For example, automobiles and iron and steel industries. Next, we have medium-scale industries which require medium like amount of things, neither too large nor too small number of workers. For example, cycle, radio or paper mills. Next we have small scale industries which are run by individuals with very few workers in it, and goods produced are also mainly for their daily consumption. For example, rice mills, flour mills, bakery, etc. Next we have cottage industries. They are family enterprises. They use limited mechanical power and local raw materials with less amount of capital, and often they are simple and artistic in nature, which are to be sold in the local market. For example, khadi, coir making or handicraft. So those were the types of industries. These types can overlap. For example, uh, heavy industries. They can also be public or private industries or large scale industries or cottage industries, small scale industries. They can also be animal based industries or forest based industries, like that. So that was all for today.